right. Our next game is Director, a game where John is directing, and he'll guide Brandon and Dave, and they will grab a volunteer to act out a movie scene in different genres.
All right. Okay. So here's what we're looking for. Everybody having a good time so far? Okay. All right. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to think of a children's fairy tale movie. What is that? A popular children's fairy tale movie.
Think about it.
Cars trade. There's some fake cars.
Snow White?
Okay, Snow White. Okay, so we're going to do Snow White, and we're just going to do a scene from Snow White, okay? And we need a volunteer from the audience to help us do our scene from Snow White.
No, the adults are terrified.
Yeah, exactly.
So you should
3 kids, 4 kids. No adult volunteers at all, eh? Snow White had dwarfs? Okay, wait. You know what? Let's do this guy right here with the green shirt. Come on up here, man. Nice.
And that is a way to enter the stage.
Alright. Okay. Alright, so here's what I need you to do. What's your name?
I think you know his name.
How about you lose the attitude? And you just tell the audience your name. Everyone give Sam a welcome. Okay, so Sam, here's what we're doing. We're doing an audition for Snow White, okay? I need you to do exactly what I tell you to do. Can you do that? You'll try. Good. That bodes well for us all, doesn't it? Okay. All right.
Like him or no? Is he loud, like you?
Yeah, let's give him a mic.
Okay,
Let's give him a mic.
give him a mic.
Okay, so...
Yeah, it does. Good. All right.
All right. Let's think of a scene from Snow White. Okay, this is going to be Snow White, and what's a good scene from Snow White? How about the scene where there's Snow White, and we've got some dwarves, and we've got there's a wicked witch
With the apple.
with the apple.
Oh,
that poisonous apple.
That's the scary part.
All right. Okay.
Ready?
All right. So here's what's going to happen. All right. Now, Sam, I need you to be the wicked witch. You can do that? Okay, all right, because you got the hair that's all kind of wicked and witchy. All right. So, you have a really simple part of this play. All you're going to do is you are going to give the apple to Snow White. This is Snow White. Okay? All you have to do is give the apple to Snow White. So you're going to come from over here. Snow White's going to be right here. You're going to give her the apple. You don't have to say anything. Not yet. Just keep it. All right? And then this is the dwarf. This is Lucky the dwarf. And he's going to, and Snow White's going to eat the apple and faint, and then the dwarf is going to give her a kiss. Okay? So, all right. You guys ready? Okay. All right. Here we go. And I want Snow White up here. All right, are you ready? Okay, what's your part? You're good, man. You're good. Okay, and action. La, 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 la. Whoa! What's that? An apple. Can I have the apple? The apple. She looks dead. Okay. Cut!
What was that?
That was crap!
See what I got?
That was absolute crap! Okay, you were good. You were really good.
Oh.
Alright? These guys, crap. Alright, here's what we need. We need more action, okay? We need more action. We're gonna do this as a Western. Alright? So, you're gonna be a dwarf cowboy.
A dwarf.
And let me see. Wicked Witch. Wicked Witch, we need you a little more wicked.
Wicked. That's wicked. That's wicked. You look scary now.
Okay, you're going to do exactly the same thing. You don't change anything, okay? You, okay?
Do I get a costume?
No.
Okay.
I want fear. I want lots of fear. Can you do that? You're going to see him, her. You're going to be afraid. You're going to eat the apple. You're going to be afraid. Then you're going to be dead.
That is scary.
All right. You want
I can make a suggestion on that kiss thing.
No, we're going to go with that.
That was nice, by the way.
Good cowboy kiss. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready? And action. Good. Good.
Looks like my horse died. Gotta break this thing up.
Nope, she's dead.
Cut! That was crap.
How's that? I look scared, didn't I?
You look crap. That's what you looked.
It was scary, though.
We're scary crap. Okay, I know what we're gonna do. We gotta do this all over again. Okay, you were good. You were really good. I liked everything you brought to the stage. It was like you had an apple in your hand. That's how much I believed it. All right?
But he didn't have an apple.
I know, that's
I
acting.
pretended it was there.
That's called acting. What you had was called crap.
What I had was called crap. That's terrible.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. All right? We're gonna do this as a horror. It's a horror. All right? So,
Good enunciation.
I know, you gotta be careful.
Especially with horrors.
It's a horror. I want lots of tension. Okay? All right? You,
Am I scared again?
you're not gonna be scared again. You're gonna be one of those dumb teenage chicks that's too dumb to be scared. Right? She's the one that goes to the
Not
dark
most
room.
of them, right? Not most of them.
You're the reason you're the horror guy.
Right.
All right?
Horror.
All right? And you, good job. All right? Now here's what I want you to do. Right? I want you to give me a wicked witch laugh. Do that.
That was scary.
That scared me.
That was horror. If I ever heard
Okay,
it.
and kind of bend over. Kind of hunch over like this. Now laugh. That good? That was good. Okay, are you ready? Okay, the scene is, you're pretty, but you're dumb. You're scary. You're great. You ready? And action!
Oh, look! It's a scary woods. I shouldn't go in, but I will.
Here's an apple.
Oh, hello! Such a beautiful apple. Is it poisonous?
No.
Okay.